Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Neha and today is day 6 of our 2-week belly fat reduction challenge. Yesterday I have uploaded the result of 5 days workout because I never expected this much fast result within 5 days. You can watch that video on my channel. So without wasting much time, day 6, let's get started. Day 6 has been completed for me. If you are not doing these exercises, please do it. These are very simple exercises and very easy. You can do at your home and you will feel the difference. You will see the difference in a very short period of time. And if you are liking my videos, please share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button always so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Then when I will upload the new videos, you will get notified. And you can follow me on Facebook as well as Instagram. My ID is Neha Singh Gupta. So I'll meet you on day 7. Till then, bye bye.